Welcome to our new residual waste and organics transfer station. This state-of-the-art facility is ready to serve the people of the Qathet Regional District for decades to come.
My name is Jason Cowenhoven. I'm the Manager of Environmental Services for Qathet Regional District. When you enter the facility, there will be two options. You can turn right to access the recycling center, where we'll accept reusable and small recyclable items, or continue straight to the pay side of the site, where we will accept waste and larger divertible items. As you enter the pay side of the site, the first thing you'll come to is our scale house. There will be traffic lights to tell you when it's your turn to proceed onto the scale. The vehicles will come onto the scale and we'll weigh them, and then the scale house attendants will tell you where to deliver the materials on the transportation side of the site. So around the site, each material drop-off location will be numbered, and they'll be signed with pictures of what kind of material is accepted in each location. Any special handling instructions or information about the materials is also posted on each bay. Most residential material will be delivered to sorting stations along our Z wall. This is an opportunity to separate materials depending on what they are and where they end up going. Vehicles will back up to the Z wall and lift material out of your vehicle over the railing and into a bin that's waiting below. We'll have large concrete bunkers for bulky items, divertible materials like tires and large appliances. Inside the transfer station, commercial vehicles will place the materials directly onto the floor. This gives us a chance to sort through it, pull out anything that's contamination or divertible, recyclable materials. Once we've gone through the load, a machine will push it into the basement of the facility where trailers are waiting. This gives us an opportunity to avoid too much handling of the material and efficiently transport those loads to receiving facilities.
This is the EPR, or Extended Producer Responsibility building. So what we're going to have here is a great recycling facility, but it doesn't stop just there. If you have special interest groups or personal interest for art or anything like that, you can talk to the people here. They can set aside materials for you to be used on your own projects. They'll also have space available for, say, bicycle repair or electronics repair or any sort of educational programs that might go along with keeping goods and products out of the waste stream. If you can believe it, even these beautiful posts and beams were taken off of the property here, so they're really using everything that we've got.
Here we have a beautiful workshop bench / table. This is made from artifacts such as this old marine dock floats found on site, some of the trees we had to take down on site, alder that was milled from trees down on site, functional art pieces that are made from items that came from this very site. And here we have a beautiful safety railing for viewing of the incinerator. It's made out of some of the local metals found on site, and again made by local artists, so functional art.
What you see on the table is jewelry that's been made directly from scrap that was found on the site. These earrings, bracelet, ring, they're made from this strapping that came from the site as well. And when I was here, there was miles of it. These pieces here are made from scrap steel from this site. And this bear and the frog that's on the other stand, that is from this piece of copper, and then the small pipe that's on the table.
So within the project charter and the design brief, the team really identified green incentives that we were trying to accomplish within the whole facility, the whole project. So right now we're standing in the commercial transfer station, and one of the items that was accomplished here was passive lighting. So right now we're standing inside of it. It's fully operational in the daytime without the use of electric lights. There's no electric lights on right now. These are all these clear panels on the sides as well as the roof that are lighting this facility. Site offices and scale house throughout the facility have heat pumps for heating and cooling, rock wool insulation for above code insulation, as well as EV chargers for both staff vehicles as well as site equipment.
So here is one of the real added bonuses to this whole Resource Recovery Center project. What you see around you here used to be full of contaminated materials, waste materials. They were around the perimeter, they were underground, they were piled on the surface. It's all been cleaned up, and we have turned it into an asset to the community. We have this nice bowl here with the wildflowers growing behind us and trees planted around the perimeter. We've got trails, we've got opportunity for botanical gardens, and we've got overflow parking for any events that happen down at Willingdon Beach. Fantastic place for events like concerts or get-togethers.
Inspired by Asset Management BC and the Natural Assets Initiative, we made nature count on this project by identifying and enhancing existing natural assets for stormwater management for the entire facility.
There are three major benefits to a facility like this. Number one, it's a transfer station, which means none of the materials that are collected here stay here. They all get exported out of our region by truck and barge. Collecting small loads and making them into large loads increases the efficiency of our transportation. It reduces our costs. It also reduces our greenhouse gas emissions. Number two, by having the materials contained inside these large buildings, we're protecting the environment. Our waste will not be leaching into the ground, into the water, or being put back into the air through burning. Number three, we're protecting the animals. Keeping out the birds and other scavenging animals helps to keep them healthy, and overall it helps keep the whole region healthy.